Yo, that one other man.
Say you start walking.
Why you get about that, man?
Me I need that knife there, here.
Yo, Mr. Brissett, I can't believe it. Yo, you the pan eat that thing too. But you never know, and I'm glad for so in a dog. Man, him just come sneaky up. Yo, me there around there sweat bullets, man. I tell you, I'm grab a little piece of knife there, dog.
Brother, I'm surprised if you didn't know it wouldn't be a surprise.
You know, me not like that.
What you not do with the knife, though?
That more know too, you know. Where I go do with that knife then? Oh yeah, food you plan for cook around there?
Yeah, thing go
You can't sleep on the kitchen counter.
So yo, differently. How long you stay on the ground?
You know my thing already quick, man.
Wow.
Just like you know, quick and fast.
Yeah, we're gonna quick here talk about, man. Exactly we talk about that. Yeah, the damn there, so. What I go and feel by?
Brother, I forget some new rider for them bike there, bro. But I know that really there so no far. What I go on? Oh yeah, move so slow. I know your name that quick your name, you know.
Here.
Answer the question. The man I ask you, oh yeah, move so slow.
Reggie, now I'm telling you, man. I mean, tonight talk about move fast and move slow and rare. You say a wheelchair, me, you know. Yo.
Family, I'm over your condition. But watch out now, brother. You can't just sit back and now fight, fam. You have to fight, brother. You can't just dead there worry. What am you, man?
Worry about what, my dan? What me a worry for? Me done do the worrying already. And the stress out and them sitting. Me just accept this and know say, I hear say there, my calm at this.
Accept what, brother? Quick tap it, my youth. I want to hear that. Calm a what, brother? Calm a bitch youth. You don't know how to do it, bitch, brother. A bitch, brother, you talk about calm. Brother, you have to get up out of that and walk, youth.
Brother, you feel like man happy if you see you there in a wheelchair? I kill him one kill all the boy they were dead already. One kill him again.
Dada, Pink, on the easy, calm down. Quick.
Yo.
You hear from Prinny?
No, I hear from her. She do her thing. They say, I do my thing.
See what go on. See what go on. Depression plus a full sack. And that'll stress you out. Printing a day for release you.
Wait.
Okay.
We don't know what you are saying.
Okay. You remember my big body man?
Pink boss. What's this one?
Better you need to take off your shades. Yo, your man start laughing, I'm vexed. Yo, are you
That is good. That is a form of release.
See it there. Same thing we will talk on over phone, man. Free up, man. You know what I mean? Happy to see when you're smiling, brother. Be more jovial, my friend, man.
Bro, I understand what you say about the jovial thing, but I don't want to hear about that right now, bro. You see me? I'll Prinny want to ask, but Prinny do her thing, I happy for her. I don't want to hear about no woman because when woman gone, my money, I want it for stay. So the business I want to hear about, what I go and feel by them.
Brother, you know, your dad tell us that we have to go get some new riders, brother. The bike, them park up, them good.
What kind of park you tell me about, Pink Boss? Oh, no, do park my cash? My belly still at work, you know. Bank account run down, you think I...
Brother, a one part-time business that your money now stop coming.
Brother, you think the therapist and the nurse, you think I leave my pay them with, brother?
Quick. We will deal with that. You did have a good woman in your life, bro.
Brother, I don't want to hear about no good woman. A cash. We are talking about a business, brother.
Jesus, Dada, talk to him, okay.
Gentlemen, here what? I know a long time him not see you, so me go do a boogie and make on a reason as Xpressionz. Yeah?
You know the thing,
Cause
man.
You know the thing of police.
I don't know if it's because I am here,
But you never have to leave still.
why quick now free up and tell you know what really about them. Brother, you're bridging them there, talk to them. Make them know what really about you. Me they are for the process. Dadas, we will link up.
Ah,
I
boy.
said that feeling I don't know. I love and love alone at all times, Bubbles. So, we link here.
Ah.
Pick up, man. Dog, pretty does have pressure me, dog. Pressure me, you. Tell me, every day she come for me. Right now, I'm friend can go with me, you know. Foreign. You, pretty don't know my network. If I never me be man, I'm just send 2 man for brush it, you know. And that me I talk going up, yo.
Dog, just easy, man. Me no know, say, me brother, me tell you, say, me know.
Brother.
See, that I problem.
Me nah cut him. But what do you mean the therapist there? Stand up for a good minute.
What you asking?
Pretty does mash up my heavens, you. Let me tell you, say, come like I just my car, my dog.
So Prinny not understand what I go on then.
She understand what I want, brother. She understand. She just see the woman look a type of way and just feel threatened by it, my youth.
Look at type of way.
Yeah, no.
She come here today.
Pink boss. Brother, leave her and not plumb me this, brother. Leave that alone, brother.
Brother, woman now come back now, yeah, so brother. Pretty run the woman gone about her business, dog. You see me? Yo, them things that's a mash up my mates, dog. You don't even know, no, brother.
You gonna make one you do. You gonna give me the therapist number. We are gonna get her back and you gonna need her. But anyway, dog, from the brighter side of your family, them place there, bro. And we there as your extended family, bro. So you're good, dog. You don't have nothing for you to worry about, my friend.
But another type problem, bro. Me I like depend on people in me. Because more time, me see like them want to do them thing. And come like a me and hold them back. You see me? What they are birds come link me. I have to go down on the ground and see what I go on and catch a different motion. You see it?
Brother, you come back with that again? With this depend. Brother, what you think we're there for? We are family in a youth. You understand? So if we there now realize that you can walk, we have to be the foot them for you. I want to hear, brother. Just always know so we're there for your youth.
Quick. Or you feel worry about dependence, bro. Dan Dada depend on me. Me depend on Dan Dada. The both of we depend on you. So you worry about my friend. So now you can depend on we family. You see what I say?
Family. Everybody have a person who them have to depend on. You get what I say? So nobody worry about that part type there, brother. What me want you to do is fix things with your baby mother.